like to say, 305. The city of heat, where movie stars once slipped through velvet ropes, where Crockett and Tubbs chased shadows in Ferraris, where Cuban coffee is the official drink of choice, and South Beach is a constant party, day and night, where Ocean Drive has its own magazine and the air tastes of salt, danger, and opportunity. A city once known as the official capital of the world's drug trade, now a haven for the rich and famous. This is Miami.